네, 이어지는 발표는 이번 온체인 심포지엄 2025를 위해 많은 도움 주신 스폰서 기업 발표 순서입니다. 체인오페라 AI 살만 아베스티메르 공동 창업자 겸 USC 학장 교수님께서 크립토 AGI, DeFi RWA 및 그 너머를 위한 집단적으로 구축되고 커뮤니티가 소유하며 협력적으로 운영되는 에이전트 네트워크라는 주제로 발표를 해주시겠습니다. 네, 그럼 이제 무대 준비가 다 된 것 같으니까요. 체인오페라 AI 살만 아베스티메르 교수님을 무대 위로 모시겠습니다. 여러분 힘찬 박수로 맞아주시기 바랍니다.
Hello, can you hear me? Awesome. Hi everybody, I'm Salman Avestimehr. I'm co-founder of ChainOpera AI, as well as a professor at USC in the computer science department. It's a pleasure to be here, and my goal is to tell you a little bit about what we do at ChainOpera AI, in particular, creating what we call Crypto AGI. What does it mean? So let me start by maybe saying about the two revolutions that are reshaping our future. Today, I think in this great summit, you heard a lot about the crypto revolution, especially a stablecoin, RWA tokenization, right? Regulations that are easing for crypto. So that's definitely $1 trillion economy that is being shaped. The other one that maybe we didn't discuss much today is the AI revolution, right? That's another revolution, a new technology that is coming to the market. So these two, right, are reshaping what we are seeing in the future. But within each one of them, there are fundamental problems. For example, in the AI, what we are seeing today is that the big tech are the winners, but the users, builders, contributors are not getting much through this economy. For example, our data is being used for building great models, but we cannot benefit from that. Or many builders, they build great tools, open source libraries, etc., but they don't benefit from this AI revolution. On the crypto revolution, especially DeFi, what we are seeing is that DeFi is exploding. Everybody is talking about a stablecoin, RWA, etc., but very few can use it. Even enterprises are struggling to get to use DeFi and stablecoins. So that's why our big mission at ChainOpera AI is to create Crypto AGI. And what it means is that we bring blockchain technology to the world of AI to create a different way of creating AGI. This is community-built AI. What it would mean is that as more and more people come and build agents that they can collaborate together, this AI is going to become more and more powerful. But what problems are we going to solve with that? Our goal is to use this community-built AI to solve difficult problems in DeFi, crypto, and generally speaking, in the DeFi domain. So that's where we unlock the value through that. So on this side, you create AI in a decentralized manner, and then you solve problems in the crypto. How do we do that? That's the ecosystem of ChainOpera AI. Has three components. Chat.ChainOpera is an end-user app. That's where you would go to create your own superintelligence that is built based on community-built agents. Think about it as a decentralized ChatGPT, right? Built by the community. Agent.ChainOpera is for developers to go there and create and launch such agents for people to use. Okay, so that's for developers, where they go, join this ecosystem. And platform.ChainOpera, that's the infrastructure, the decentralized cloud that is fueling this ecosystem. So these three components together create ChainOpera. Now let me show you a little bit about each of these components. Maybe we start from the first one, chat.ChainOpera. As I mentioned, you can compare it side by side with ChatGPT. ChatGPT created in a centralized manner by OpenAI. Chat.ChainOpera is created by thousands of community-built agents. They can work together through the concept of super AI, right? Many agents collaborate together to solve problems. Also, as a user, your privacy is protected, right? If you contribute data, you are going to be recognized in this ecosystem. What can you use it for? Here you can use it for solving great problems in DeFi automated trading. We have a booth outside. You can see demo. For example, you go talk with this super agent, and maybe you solve problems. You just, with a prompt, you would say, buy an asset for me, do automated trading for it. You can also interact with it through agent social network that we are pioneering, a way that human and AI collaborate together. Now I have a demo here. Let's see if we can play the video. Very good. So that's the concept of agent social network. You see, I'm creating a group called Smart Trading. I add 3 agents there. One of them, Onchain scanner, scans the chain. The other one can do trading. The other one can do automated selling. Now you talk to this super agent. You say, scan Solana, find the highest potential token, buy the token with certain amount, and if the profit hits certain percentage, sell it in the future. Right? That's a complex task, requires several agents to work together. Once you say it, Coco, which is the super AI, understands it, pass it to those 3 agents to find the asset. In this case, maybe one asset that is found. You want it, you just confirm it, integrate it with your wallet. It will purchase it for you. After it is purchased, now a limit order is going to be set based on how much profit or loss you want to control, and then sell it in the future for you. Right? So all of those tasks, AI, piece of cake. Who solved it? Multiple agents that collaborated together in this agent social network. So it purchased it, and the limit order right now is being set. And you can customize it, for example, for how long this is going to be and launching of this limit order. All right, let's go back to the slides, please. Excellent. So that gives you a glimpse of what we mean by creating a different AI to solve crypto problems. Now, who creates it? That's the agent developer platform. As a builder, you want to be part of this, and maybe you have ideas to create an agent. We give you an enterprise-grade platform to create the agents. You can use it zero code, maybe just via prompt, giving some character about the agent and launch it, or more complex through workflows and agentic frameworks. For example, maybe you want to use various MCP servers that they can do, getting APIs for search, for market insights, etc., or maybe using various knowledge bases. This way you can create some of those advanced agents that I showed you and contribute it here. Once you create it, you can publish it, goes to the ChainOpera chat that I showed you, and can be used by many people and can collaborate with many other agents in this ecosystem. Now, all of these, so many agents, right? If you think about it, even OpenAI, they need massive amount of GPUs, cloud to support this ecosystem. How do we do that? That's where we have the platform.ChainOpera that provides the decentralized cloud for providing the models, the compute, and the data that is needed for these agents to run. Our concept is that this cloud, right, supports open source, closed source models, and they are served on decentralized cloud. Many GPU providers join this ecosystem to help us scale such a complex ecosystem. And then you would say, okay, if you build it decentralized, can you do a scalable serving of the models, training of the models? And we have done years of research in this domain to show that actually both model serving, model training can be done even better than what you can do with centralized infrastructure. Because as you scale the number of requests, the performance even gets better. We have also trained our own foundation model built for small language models on the phone using this cloud. So you can do all of the things that I mentioned, and in fact, you can try it in the app. Now, the role of the blockchain and the protocol, which is an AI native protocol, is to connect this ecosystem together. So either end users, agent builders, and resource providers can all be part of this ecosystem based on what we call proof of contribution. Proof of contribution or proof of intelligence is about how much did everybody contribute to making this AI better. And they will be recognized based on their contribution. Finally, all the things that I mentioned to you, chat.ChainOpera, agent.ChainOpera, and platform.ChainOpera, they are live. You can test them today, already great traction. For example, the app that I mentioned, we have more than 200K paying daily active users that interact with the agents. We have more than 10,000 built agents that are launched there and 50 partners across the DeFi and the crypto ecosystem that are joining us to scale this ecosystem with us. With that, we invite you to join us either as a user, as a builder, or partner. And that's our goal for entering the Korean market and creating awareness so we can build partnership with the people here. That's all for me. Thank you for listening.
네, 감사합니다. 살만 아베스티메르 공동창업자 겸 USC 학장 교수님께 다시 한번 큰 박수 부탁드립니다. 네, 또한 체인오페라 AI의 후원과 비전 공유에도 다시 한번 감사의 인사드립니다.